So when looking to move to a new city, one of the biggest questions I get is where is the best education and best schools for my kids possible? Well, in today's video, we're going to be covering the top schools in Burlington, but not only that, we'll be looking into where are the best neighborhoods based on a combination of both public and Catholic elementary schools and public schools. So if you're interested in making sure your kids get the best education, stay tuned. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at all these schools offered in Burlington, Ontario and how they stack up against each other. So in this video here, we're going to be really looking at the Fraser Institute school rankings, which is one of the most trusted resources for ranking schools, both provincially in Ontario, but just Canada-wide as a whole. So one thing to note is all the rankings are based on just academic performance alone. Now, of course, there's a bunch of other factors that go into making sure the school is right for your kids. So go check out the school websites and chat with the teachers or the support staff or the principal to see if the school is the right fit for you. But in today's video, I wanted to give it an accurate representation of how the schools rank up, and the best way to do that is through academic performance. Now, before we jump right in and start ranking the schools, I want to mention that Burlington as a whole has a very strong schooling system, as routinely all the schools located in Burlington rank above the provincial averages. So let's just dive on into the best schools and how they rank amongst each other throughout Burlington, and we'll be breaking it down into a couple of categories. Now, if you're interested in which neighborhoods have overall the best school system, make sure you watch the end of this video, as that's where we'll be recapping it all. So the very first thing we're going to be looking at here is public elementary schools, and the first school ranked in Burlington has to be John T. Tuck Public School, located in the neighborhood Roseland, with an average rating of 8.8 out of 10, which is absolutely phenomenal. Then the second school rated is Charles R. Baudouin, located in Millcroft, with an average rating of 8.1 out of 10 and offering 3 different streams, both English, French, and gifted. And what's cool about this elementary school is it was actually the elementary school I went to, and I was one of the first graduating classes in itself. Then the third elementary school is Polly A. Fisher Public School, located in the Brant Hills neighborhood, with an average score of 8.1 out of 10, offering just the English stream. Then fourth is Alton Village Public School, ranking a 7.9 out of 10, located in the Alton Village neighborhood. And fifth, rounding out our public elementary schools, is C.H. Norton, located in the Head Forest neighborhood, with an average score of 7.7 out of 10. So those were the top 5 public elementary schools in Burlington. Now let's see how the Catholic elementary schools stack up. So the very top rated Catholic elementary school is St. Anne Catholic Elementary School, also located in the Alton Village, with an average rating of 8.7. Then you have St. Raphael's Catholic School, located in Short Acres, with an average score of 8.1. The third top Catholic elementary school is St. Timothy's Catholic School, located just in North Burlington, with the fourth being the Canadian Martyrs Catholic School, located also in North Burlington in the neighborhood Palmer. And the fifth highest rated Catholic elementary school is the Sacred Heart of Jesus, located just in Millcroft, with an average rating of 7.5. So those are the top elementary schools located throughout Burlington. So let's graduate and now talk about the top high schools throughout Burlington's borders. And in this case here, we're going to keep the public and Catholic schools together, as there's just less options to choose from when it comes to high schools. So the number one high school rated in Burlington is Nelson High School, and that's not just my biased opinion, as I graduated here, but it's also rated a 7.6 out of 10, which is tied for first place. Now, Nelson High School offers 3 streams, English, French, and gifted, as well as a great academics and arts program. Now, the second top high school in Burlington, and technically it is tied for first, is Corpus Christi's Catholic High School. And this is located in the neighborhood Corporate and really serves a lot of North Burlington, with an average rating of 7.6 out of 10. Then the third high school and the newest high school in Burlington at the time of recording this is Frank Hayden High School, which is located in Alton Village, which was given a score of 7.4 out of 10, with an attached community center right beside it in Harbor Community Recreational Center, offering a wide variety of different sports fields and gyms also to capitalize on. Then the 4th rated high school in Burlington is Aldershot High School with an average score of 7. And if you guessed it was located in the Aldershot neighborhood, you would be correct. And the 5th rated high school in Burlington is Notre Dame High School, located in Haddon Forest with an average rating of 7 out of 10. All right, so now you know where the best education lies throughout Burlington. And if you want to do more research or just read more on it or learn more about the Fraser Institute's rankings, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check it out yourself. But now let's chat about where overall the best neighborhoods in Burlington are for the schools. So let's count it down, starting off with the 3rd place neighborhood. And the 3rd place neighborhood is Millcroft, as Millcroft is home to the 2nd ranked best elementary school in Charles R. Baudouin, as well as gets easy access both to Dr. Frank J. Hayden High School and Corpus Christi High School, which are also highly ranked. And in 2nd place has to be Alton Village, as not only does it have Dr. Frank J. Hayden's high school located in its borders, but it's also home to the #1 ranked Catholic elementary school, St. Anne's Catholic School. And the #1 neighborhood for the best education is Roseland and Shore Acres neighborhoods. Now I rank these neighborhoods together as at the end of the day, a lot of its residents go to the same schools, and that is the #1 public school in all of Burlington, John T. Tuck High School, and also they all attend Nelson High School, which is the #1 ranked public high school. So I hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of where the best education lies within Burlington. And if it has, make sure to smash the like button, as it truly does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're interested in learning more about living in Burlington, Ontario, the next video I'd recommend for you is the pros and cons of living in Burlington, Ontario. So go check that out. And if you've already seen it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to not miss out any one of my future living in Burlington videos. And as always, if you're looking to buy, sell, or just want a personal one-on-one recommendation of something in Burlington, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, or you can find my contact information below. But other than that, I hope you have a great day.